how to share Shadowrocket nodes and subscription among all of your devices while having your app only on one device and using that same VPN on another phone like this one without having an app. In this way, you can share proxies and nodes while taking help from a friend. If your friend has an app but you don't have, you can use your friend's subscription on your phone without installing an app. Let's get into it. If you don't know how to get the subscription, go to the link in the description and you will land to this page. Register with your email account and log in. Once you log into the website, you will see this interface. Here you can get subscription. Go to the shop option and here are different packages. Remember, some of them are not packages, it's just a data. So make sure it's written per month or each year. That is a package. And if you get one time, for example, 10 RMB, it's not a package, it's just a volume or traffic you're getting for an existing package. Choose any package you like. And remember, this method is not necessary if you're sharing, because this is the method to subscribe if you or your friend has not subscribed yet. Go to next, choose a package and choose your payment method. And here you can see the price is 178. I already have 21 in my wallet, so I can use a coupon code and you can use my coupon code for 30% discount. Type here Ethiquistic and verify the coupon code. Your price will reduce to 138 now. And now you can pay via Alipay and WeChat and get the subscription. After subscribing, go to the front page and here you can import the nodes, whatever app you're using. So here is the Shadowrocket app. So this was the method to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Once you subscribe and install the app and imported your nodes, I have multiple videos on how to import these nodes. You simply just need to click on any of the link or a particular app and then that nodes will be imported to your app. On your phone, open Shadowrocket app. Once you subscribe, you will see all the nodes here. Select any particular node. Let's say this is UK and now go to connect. After that, go to setting, proxy and proxy share. Here you will see two things, IP and port. Note down this IP and port address. Now take your other phone where you want to share this proxy without installing an app. On this phone, go to your setting and go to WLAN. Make sure you are connected via Wi-Fi or hotspot. Now go to this info button here, scroll all the way down and you will see configure proxy. Tap on that. Now select manual and here is the actual deal. In the server section, you need to write down this IP address. So I'm writing down this IP address here. Then note down the port address and write it here on your other phone. After that, hit save button. Now you have already saved this proxy here from your other phone via proxy sharing. Go to your Shadowrocket here, you will see it's not connected. Now I open YouTube and it works perfectly fine. You scroll down, you will see all the videos there because now we are connected via other device here. So this device is sharing proxy to this device. That's simple. You don't need an app. And make sure if you select any other server here, for example, I choose Hong Kong and now go to setting, proxy, share proxy, and you will see the proxy. It might change sometime, the proxy will change, but in most cases it's the same. So no matter on this phone, you connect any server, this phone will automatically be connected because you already set the proxy manually. So this is how you can share proxies among iPhone to iPhone. And if you want me to create a tutorial how to share these proxies on Android, macOS and Windows PC, then write in the comments. I'll bring a new video. Hope you learned something new today. Hit that subscribe, like and share. Spread among the people in need. I'll see you in the next one.